In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate moving your new leads directly into your sales pipeline. We're going to set this up so that whenever someone submits your form, their information is automatically turned into an opportunity inside your pipeline. This helps you stay organized, respond faster, and make sure no new lead gets missed. First, create your pipeline. Go to Opportunities, then Pipelines, and choose Create New. Here, you'll give your pipeline a name and set up the stages you want your leads to move through. For example, you might use stages like New Lead, Contacted, Qualified, and Closed. The exact names are up to you, but the goal is to reflect your sales process clearly. Once your stages are in place, save your settings. Next, build your form. Navigate to Sites, then Forms, and open the builder. From there, drag and drop the fields you need, such as name, email, and phone. These are the core details that will help identify and contact each lead once they enter your system. After your form is ready, save it. Then either copy the embed code if you plan to place it on a page, or simply make note of the form name, since you'll need to select that exact form when building the automation. Now it's time to create the workflow. Go to Automation, then Workflows, and choose Create Workflow. Start from scratch so you have full control over the setup. For the trigger, select Form Submitted. This tells the system to begin the automation anytime a lead completes the form. After that, add a filter and choose the specific form you just created. This is important because it ensures the workflow only runs for submissions from that form, not from any others in your account. Once the trigger is ready, add the pipeline action. Click the plus icon under the trigger to add a new action. Search for and select Create or Update Opportunity. Then choose the pipeline you created earlier and select the starting stage, such as New Lead. After that, map the contact fields using the custom values for name, email, and phone. This step allows the lead's submitted information to flow into the opportunity automatically, which saves time and reduces manual entry errors. Finally, publish and test everything. Switch the workflow status to Publish in the top right corner, then save the workflow. To make sure it's working properly, submit a test entry through your form. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a new card appear in the correct stage of your pipeline. That's it. Your lead capture and pipeline automation is now in place.